Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be driving around Umuahia town today. Abia no now around Umudike junction. But this fence you are seeing is the fence of Federal Medical Center. Mana junction na kita anwa or Umudike junction or Ekote Bende junction. This road, from this Ekote Bende junction, now if you keep on driving down straight, just keep going straight, you're going to get to Akwa Ibom. So maybe that's the reason why they call this road Ekote Bende Road. Along this road, we have, I think, the Abia State High Court along this road. And then through this road also, you can get to Michael Okpara University. The fence you are seeing here with some artwork on it is still the fence of the Federal Medical Center. As you can see, they are drawing some things on the fence to, make it look good, make it look better than it was before. Again, in a Labour Party flag, or the Labour office and the Labour. So I'm going to be driving from here. We'll get to Bende Road. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. This is the Abia State High Court. That's the fence there, and the building is inside. The white upstairs, the white building you're seeing. Yeah, with the court in Umuahia along the Ekote Bende Road. In a High Court of Justice, Kedre, na the signboard. So guys, from here now we're going to take the junction that will lead you to the Latinos, the popular the Latinos. Ebania Iwanwani atatu ihe amutu ihe izukwenike agbagaracha weekend there gapadi aga tampo BTCU and the rest of them. This fence you are seeing, all fence Ibeku High School. This is the gate of Ibeku High School. The fence is very beautiful. The paintage Abaraya the channel very okay. So like I said, I get take this diversion. We're going to take the diversion leading you to the Latinos. Yes, as you can see, there are road traffic controllers here, and they control the traffic along this road within the police in Okwa here. So we are also going to pass BCA road. From here now, we are heading to BCA road. We are going to be passing the Broadcasting Corporation of Abia State. Those days I in the LA BCA. It's been a long time I watched BCA news. Everything about goes digital now. So most people are in the time say if you news on that. So this area now, apart from the Latinos, then we call even doors, or like we have where you can, I think the fast food, right, where you can come and buy stuff, come and buy food, come and buy Bezurunrigi, Jovit. I'm talking about Jovit. Now this roundabout now there Jesus Christ now. This roundabout now immediately repaint. As you can see, it's shining. They repainted and made it look better. The fence you are seeing here. This fence you are seeing now, BCA. I'm going to show you the gates, the entrance layer. British Corporation of Abia, Broadcasting Corporation of Abia State. Sorry, I'm saying British. From here, right now, I in Agazi Airport, Azikiwe Road. We entered here now through Umudike junction. But from here now, we're going to connect Azikiwe. You understand? Very close to this road. Very close. Just along this road, now just a battle down now, you will see which one is Asonta Cathedral? Mater Dei Catholic Church. You will see Mater Dei. At the beginning of this junction that we are heading to now, you just keep going straight. Not if you see in the Catholic mothers what happened then the Mater Dei or not just behind us there. My camera couldn't capture it. So this is Azikiwe Road. Eba anu akana bo Azikiwe Road. Unamaguna in child nightlife no my. Also, some people say no also Azikiwe or town no my. No, if you come to this place at night, you understand. On as to possible, and the only meet what happens small. But we really need nightlife like Owerri. We can't just have a street where things is happening and then we think we're gonna have nightlife. Nah, Eba na tapan here again. No more here, but a very nice place where you can go drink your wine, enjoy this way is or not wine with your woman or your kids or any wine. Call. We are still driving along Azikiwe Road. Manaketa na agbabazi this road now ebe nwere market square. This road now Now here now we get, I think it's Umuahia Road, Abi. Now here now we get a Market Square. So kita no I gonna about down. Me as you know, we are trying to connect to Bende Road. From this road now, we are going to connect to Bende Road. So our Market Square is not as big as the one we have in Abia and Akwa Ibom. It's not as big as the ones over there. Now the Market Square be this. You understand? If you come buy one or two things, so everybody know Market Square now. So from here now, we go bus out for Bende Road. So if you want to see how Bende Road day for November 2025, you can watch the video down to the end if you want to see how all those area take day for this Okochi where we don't enter.